Service in Blacksburg has issued a flash flood warning for Appomattox County, Central Campbell County, Northeastern Pittsylvania County until 11:30 p.m. time Wednesday. At 5:19 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated showers and a few thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Alta Vista, Appomattox,